So is there really such a thing as coloured witchcraft, or black witchcraft and white witchcraft, or black magic and white magic? Hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, and if you're new to this channel and you want to find out more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. This hopefully is a short video simply about witchcraft and colour and our Western obsession with duality. People will inevitably ask you, and some of you have probably already had people ask you if they know that you're a witch or a magician, are you a black witch or a white witch? And they really want to find out whether you're going to curse them or not. That's generally their problem. And they're obsessed with this thing that there's black and that there's white. And not only is black and white, you know, associating black with bad and white with good racist, it's also not true. Black is simply a colour. And white is simply a colour, or both of them really are absence of colour. It's they're just part of a polarity, and polarity is where we work with creation. It's a yin and yang, a dance between two opposites to create a third out of that. And because of our history, our Western history, our Western spiritual history, we've got this thing about black and white, and we are obsessed with it. There's harmful magic, there's helpful magic, there's manipulative magic, there's healing magic, there's money magic, there's relationship magic. There's all kinds of things that you can do with magic. Magic is a tool. It's like a knife, okay? You can use a knife to chop up vegetables, to make yourself a casserole, or you can use it to stab somebody. It really is just a knife, and it's not a weapon until you make it one. Magic is the same. It is just an energy, it's work, it is something that we utilize and work with. It doesn't have a color. It simply is, and it's our intention that creates the outcome. So if it's harmful intention, then it's harmful magic. If it's helpful intention, then it's helpful magic. The whole color coding thing is really a very distorted way of thinking. And in cognitive behavior therapy, it is called a distorted way of thinking, or black and white thinking, which is a distorted way of thinking, because there is no black and white in magic. It's simply magic does stuff, and it's up to the person who is sending out the magic, the intention that determines what the magic is actually going to do. So I just thought I would share that with you because it is something that really annoys me when people ask me that. And it's innocent enough because the mainstream, I mean, we've all been brought up in a culture that has this dualistic way of thinking. We don't understand polarity. We don't understand that black and white are similar in essence but different by degree, in that you can turn black into white and white into black. It's a principle of polarity from the Hermetic principles. There is no principle of duality in the Hermetic principles, and it is a way of thinking that is very pagan. It's also in the Eastern religious traditions, and you find that the dualistic idea of good and evil always being at odds with each other, and the fight between the two, and that one day the fight will end between the two, is largely an Abrahamic paradigm. It's not in most other religions out there, and definitely not in paganism, because we understand from physics that we actually need the destructive side and we need the creative side in order for the universe to even exist. And if we have one over that's totally dominated and one over the other, then all creation ceases to exist, whether it's in the so-called positive side or the so-called negative side. So just thought I'd share that with you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and come on over to my Facebook page. The link is below this video in the description box, and I will see you on the next video. Blessed be.